how cold can cure inflammation and reduce pain. It is hard to believe, but many people suffer from chronic pain and do not seek medical treatment for it. Those that do tend to rely on over-the-counter anti-inflammatory or pain-killing medications. They are also likely to use cold treatments to reduce the pain of the injured or damaged. So how does the cold help reduce pain? Although the benefits of cold exposure are limited with regard to managing pain, there is much more evidence to support the reduction of inflammation. And as inflammation is one of the contributing factors to many aspects of pain, this is good news. Cold exposure can also benefit the brain in other ways, as it has also been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and spinal cord. In addition, the benefits of cold exposure extend to reducing autoimmune diseases, many of which are also caused by inflammation. These include inflammatory bowel disease and rheumatoid arthritis. With that being said, an effective treatment for the pain and inflammation of rheumatoid arthritis that has already established itself in the body is to use cold therapy in the form of an ice pack. Regular exposure to cold water, such as swimming in open water or having ice baths, has been shown to boost the production of monocytes, which in turn reduce inflammation. The downside of this is that the exposure to the cold must be on a long-term, regular basis and should be in good health. What's more, cold exposure has been shown to reduce the growth of cancer cells. Cancer feeds on glucose, but so does brown fat, which is stimulated by the cold. In other words, brown fat activation gets first dibs on the glucose, which means cancer cells cannot feed. If they cannot feed, they cannot grow. However, reducing the intake of glucose, sugar, and carbohydrates in the diet is also necessary alongside cold exposure, as there is a limit to how much glucose the brown fat requires. As you may have realised, the relationship between cold exposure and inflammation is complicated, but the overall conclusion is that taking cold showers alongside a healthy diet and lifestyle will boost your immunity and reduce the risk of developing diseases linked to inflammation. Thanks for watching.